Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find message settings on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. Just click on your profile, now click here and now click settings, now click social permissions and here you will find message settings. Just click on it and that's it. Here you can manage your message settings on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.